Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. मैं हूं अनुराधा and as promised to before, I am back with part 20 of the VAT practice exercise. इस एक्सरसाइज में भी हम कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट VAT वर्ड्स प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. उनके साथ साथ हम देखेंगे किस तरह के सेंटेंसेस आप लिख सकते हो. तो एक नहीं, दो नहीं, बल्कि तीन रिस्पॉन्सेस में आपको शो करूंगी एक पर्टिकुलर VAT वर्ड के लिए, सो दैट यू विल हैव एन आइडिया व्हाट सेंटेंसेस टू राइट. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि इन सेंटेंसेस से कौन सी क्वालिटीज आपके अंदर की साइकोलॉजिस्ट जो है वो असेस कर पाएंगे. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट वर्ड के साथ. वर्ड इज रिलीजियन. So you can write everyone's religion should be respected. It shows that you love equality and you respect the different diversity. Differences in religion can't divide true patriots. Patriotism का असली मतलब आप यहाँ पे दिखा रहे हैं. Religion is defined by your work, not God. Very very deep philosophy is being shown of you. Next word is policy और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं the new policy is welcomed by us. यहाँ पे कौन से पॉलिसी है, यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा स्पेसिफिक हो सकते हैं. So it shows your current affairs knowledge. Foreign policies are helping India grow. It shows your appreciation of them. Insurance policy worth millions was renewed. तो यहाँ पे भी आप थोड़ा सा स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं. Next word is truth और इसके लिए you can write being truthful is the best approach to everything. It shows your optimistic and your truthful nature. Leading a life truthfully invokes a greater self-confidence. ये आपका self-confidence कहाँ होता है वो show करता है. Truth is always better than lies. So it shows your respect for truth. Next is compromise और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं India should tackle terrorism without compromise. It shows your broad-minded and your determined nature. National security can never be compromised. It shows your reasoning ability and your love for the country. We reached a mutual compromise on maintaining cleanliness. So your sense of responsibility is shown. Next word is quick. और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं reading instructions makes a task quicker. It shows your instruction following skills. It was quick of me to spot the mistake. आपका fault finding, not fault finding, I would not say fault finding, but your way of doing any task meticulously, your quickness of decision that is shown. Quickness of decision was demonstrated by us. So alertness आपका show कर रहा है. Next is understanding और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं understand others to conquer them. Your ability to influence a group is shown. Problems are solved by understanding it thoroughly. Problem solving capacity is shown. Being understandable makes you a good leader. Leadership quality is shown. Next word is operation. इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं Operation Blue Star happened in 1983. Defense knowledge is shown. Cooperation in a team leads to success. Your leadership or your group dynamics are shown. The patient recovered after his operation. Optimistic nature is shown. Next is defeat. It's a negative word. इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं India defeated Sri Lanka to lift the cricket world cup. अगर कोई recent में ऐसा मैच या टूर्नामेंट है तो उसके लिए भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं सेंटेंस को. It will show that you are a cricket loving person and you have a good you have a patriotic feeling for your country. Accepting defeat is the best quality of a leader. आपका leadership quality is shown here. Knowing the problem makes defeating it easier. It shows how you approach a certain problem and how you overcome it. Next word is method और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं any situation should be solved in a methodized manner. It shows your organizing ability and your way of solving the problem. Methodist and Baptist are two different Christian faiths possessing knowledge of the religion that is shown. There are different methods to tackle the same issue. It shows that you do not only fix on one particular problem, one particular method, but you follow other method as well. Next is carelessness और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं accidents can be avoided without being careless. Responsibility is shown. Carelessness has caused many people their lives. It shows your alert nature. Carelessness of your followers could be excused as long as they don't pose problem. Leadership skills are shown. Next is hope और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं being alive is a new hope every day. Positivity is shown here and your gratitude towards life. There is always a hope of success for optimists. Your optimistic nature is shown. I counsel the hopeless guy to his dream goal. Your ability to motivate others is shown. Next is efficiency और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं meditate regularly to make yourself more efficient. Shows your your self awareness and how you do that. Efficiency of a computer is unmatchable. Realistic nature, realistic knowledge is shown. Make in India initiative is very efficient for Indian economy. It shows your appreciation for the scheme. Next is danger और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं signs of danger can be tackled by having its knowledge. So it shows your problem solving skills, how you solve problems. Dangerous song of Michael Jackson was a sensational hit. Your interest in music is shown. Indian defense is always ready for dangerous situations. Again, your knowledge for defense and your appreciation for them is shown. Next is complete और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं peace of mind is achieved by completing everything within the assigned time. Time bound nature is shown. The incomplete vacancies were filled by the deserving candidates. Optimistic nature is shown. We should look forward for completion of the task without complaining. It shows your liveliness and your ability to learn the task while doing it. नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्पिटिशन। कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए आप लिख सकते हैं इंडिया इज competing मेजर वर्ल्ड पावर्स इन ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी। योर लव फॉर द country is shown. There's a huge competition to join the armed forces today. It shows your awareness. Competing with others allow you to introspect your position. So self-reliable, self-introspection, and your interest in taking challenges, your competitive nature, that are all shown here. Next is judge. तो आप लिख सकते हैं the judge of the high court ruled in favor of women equality. कौन से केस या थोड़ा आप स्पेसिफिकली बता सकते हैं? Deciding the career was a very judgmental decision. It shows your power of expression. Judging someone based on their appearance is not a good quality. So it shows your philosophy or belief. Next is time. तो इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं maintaining a timetable is the most productive way to succeed. It shows your you to complete your ability to complete a work in time. In future, there could be a possibility of time travel, so a bit of a scientific knowledge is shown. A successful person completes everything within the assigned time. So your responsibility, your time-bound work ethics is shown here. Next is character. तो इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं character and personality goes hand in hand towards achieving a goal. It shows your gentlemanly etiquette. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters or characters. It shows your efficiency in English language का knowledge यहाँ पे show किया जा रहा है. Being consistent and determined helps in developing one's personal character. It shows your grooming knowledge or self-development. Next word is worry. It's a negative word. इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं worrying much on a single problem should be avoided. So it shows basically solution method से आप इस negative word को deal किया है to show how to find a solution for this problem. Traffic in India is a major worry. Realistic, practical knowledge is shown here. It is not work, but worry that is a concern. It shows that you are a very cool and calm person and you tend to do all your work in this manner. Next is confusion. और इसके लिए आप लिख सकते हैं confusion between India and Pakistan could be cleared by peace talks. It's shown that you're grounded, logical, and problem solver. Getting confused should be looked at as steps towards learning. It shows that you do not take confusion as a negative quality but as a step to learn. So optimistic nature is shown. A lot of people confuse a stroke with a heart attack. तो आपका इंटेलिजेंस या नॉलेज पोजेस करने का जो एबिलिटी है, ठीक है, उसको आप रिस्पेक्ट करते हो, दैट इज शोन हियर. So these are some of the words that are commonly asked in VAT exercise in SSB और आपके अपकमिंग SSB में भी आ सकता है. तो आप कोई भी सेंटेंस यहाँ जो आपको अच्छा लगे वो लिख सकते हैं. एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर कि आप जो सेंटेंस लिखोगे यू शुड बिलीव इन दैट सेंटेंस देन ओनली राइट. Also, I'm giving you 5 words for your homework and I want you to write one sentence for each of these words in the comment box below. So the 5 words for your homework are heavy, height, weight, length, and light. So if you're preparing for any other, your upcoming SSB interview and you are facing a bit difficult, difficulty in it, please do not worry. Get yourself enrolled into SSB interview online course because यहाँ हम लोग 5 day SSB interview process के बारे में full जानकारी provide किया है. साथ साथ आप हमारे साथ live classes में भी interact कर सकते हो and practice more efficiently for your upcoming SSB interview. If you're preparing for any other written defense exam, उसके लिए भी courses हमारे app में आपको मिल जाएंगे. Just download our SSB Crack Exams Learning app today. Use the code warrior10 while enrolling to the course and you will get a 10% off on the courses. That was it from my side and hope to see you very soon with something more helpful, insightful for your SSB interview preparation and for your SSB interview. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और SSB इंटरव्यू, NDA, CDS, FCAT जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप SSB क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें. आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं.